So he literally walked through the box. And I said, Martin, what do I do with this? We call this intuitive cooking, where you're actually using your sense of smell and taste and really decide you're not, bound to a recipe. So he said to steam the artichoke and the potatoes, created a spinach sauce. This is my first time tasting. Oh my goodness. It was very good. I'm impressing myself. He told me to make sure the sauce was not too more more like hummus, as he would say, and it was thicker, and so it is. So then you can take the potato and you just kind of round it in, right? Mm. Oh, it's really good. So what we put in the spinach was just onion. There was a little chili powder, um, and some coriander and some stuff, and then with the carrots, I steamed the carrots with the stems of the Swiss chard, and then I just steam the greens at the very end, right? And so this had like star anise and some other stuff, and you can watch the video. Um, oh my goodness. The carrots were very sweet, so I didn't have to add any sweetener. Like he said, I could have added like a pear at the end. And so then, I don't know if you guys can see this. This is a baked apple that I had first. So yeah, it's nice and soft now. I had to cut up the little top. And what I'll do is I'll take a little bite of this. There's blueberry, rolled oats, oh my gosh, clove, everything. The the artichoke is also nice and soft. I just steamed that with the potatoes. I put them in like a little double broiler thing. So this is the results. I took some pictures. I'll post this with the other live after I get done stuffing my face. But this was really fun. So we're gonna be doing this every week that I'm excuse me, every week. The box, I have no idea what's coming. So we're gonna use Martin's skills, what he's done for 40 years. He, of course, just makes it look easy. I'm like writing notes feverishly. But I've learned about some things. I had never cooked an artichoke. I'd always used cooked canned. I've never really steamed. I think I've steamed potatoes once. I usually boil them, right? Then they're more soggy. This gives a whole nother texture to your potatoes. Steaming the green and making like a spinach sauce. Well, there's a little bit of cashew butter in there. He told me to make sure it wasn't too runny, so I added some of this steamed potatoes in there and blended that up. Gosh, I feel like I'm a professional chef already, but I just did this little bit right here. This is what we talk about in our culinary healing group. And check out Martin's Substack. I'll connect this video and everything to my other video about the live, because I really wanted you guys to really, yeah, I'm going to stop eating now. Carrot a second. With a little bit of the chard on the carrot, you guys, that is really good. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's fennel. There's fennel in here. There's clove in here. You have to watch the video. I did everything he said. I will stop eating and try not to talk. Okay, so that is the cool thing about this. I just took what I had and made it. So that's what you're going to learn. I'm going to learn along with everyone else. So check out Martin's Substack. Check out our culinary healing. I also just launched One Tiny Habit Substack, and I'll put the link as well. So some people were telling me, I don't have enough time to do all of your articles. I'm getting overwhelmed. So I created this 60-second tiny habit, one tiny healing habit per day. 60 seconds to read, 60 seconds to implement, and you're good to go. It goes live November 1st, but you can sign up now. It'll come every single morning to your email. Implement just that one habit. So you think about it, in 1 year, one daily habit, you're getting 365 healing habits. And some of those will stick. Some of them will build upon each other. Super exciting where we're going. Check it out. Oh my gosh. You guys, this was fabulous. Definitely watch the other video. I got to go finish eating now. But hope you guys had a great one. Thanks for being here. Love y'all. See you next time.